Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is a special session in which we are going to discuss about the previous year prelims UPSC questions, okay, in which we are going to discuss about the economic questions, okay. So here what we will discuss is about the topics, okay, about certain terms, okay, and about certain data related to that question, and also how to crack the questions with the finding the keys from that question itself, okay. So there is certain key within the every questions, okay. So you have to find that key and you have to just make the answer towards it, okay. So that is the thing we are going to discuss, okay. Let's begin the session. See, the term West Texas Intermediate, okay, something found in the news refers to the grade of, okay. So what the grade of crude oil, bullion, rare earth minerals, uranium, okay. So see, this question is actually asked in 2020 prelims, okay. So the reason behind why they are asking this question in 2020 means, actually see, the West Texas Intermediate is related to the crude oil, okay. So the answer is A. But why they ask these kinds of question in 2020, okay, that things you have to know, okay. Actually 2019, okay, it is the most worst economic crisis happened due to the COVID-19, okay. So due to the COVID-19, lot of nations get into the lockdown, okay. So people are started to stay within the homes. So there is no transportation happened. So there is no transportation means there is no demand for the fuels, okay. So there is no demand for the petroleum or diesel, okay. So that led to the price crashes in the crude oil, okay. So what happened related to the crude oil means people are not demanding certain product, means what it will happen means the price will getting low, okay. That things happened in the crude oil, okay. So the prices of the crude oil is just falling down, okay. So at the time period, the OPEC nation, okay, so the OPEC nation is nothing but it's a group of people, group of countries who are doing the export of the crude oils, because they have the crude oil resources within them, okay. So they will export it to the other countries, okay. So once again they met at 2020 about reducing the prices, okay, or else reducing the supply, okay. See, consider that there are 100 people, there are 100 apple, okay. So which means every apple will be sold at 1 rupees, okay. Such a way the thing will happen, okay. Consider that there are 100 apple, but the demanding people is only 10, okay. In such a scenario, what will happen is the price will start to fall down because there is no demand for the product, okay. So in such a scenario, what they will try to do is, the OPEC country, what they did is they just reduce the supply also, okay. So they just consider this as like apple, okay. So they just reduce it to 5, okay, but the demand is 10, okay, which means what thing will happen, the prices again increases, okay. So such a way the OPEC country, what they did is they just reduce the supply and to make a balance between the demand and supply of the crude oil, okay. So by the way they focused on making a profit from it, okay. So such a way they did it, okay. So this is what happened in 2020 OPEC meet, okay. In that OPEC meet, they just discuss about this West Texas Intermediate. It is about the grading of the oil, okay. See, this West Texas Intermediate is the highest, purest form of crude oil, okay, in which the sulfur content is very low, okay. So that is called as West Texas Intermediate, okay. So why they ask this question, okay, it is due to the OPEC meet, okay. Why the OPEC meet is happened due to the COVID-19, there is a reduction in the demand for the crude oil, so only the OPEC meet was happened, okay. And why they asked this 2020 means it is a reflection from the COVID-19 of 2019, okay. So all of these things are connected one, okay. So how you have to prepare is based like this only, okay. Anything is happen in the society means it is connected to any economic activities means try to focus on that thing, okay. See, I was studying about the OPEC meet, okay. I just focused on the what are the member countries of the OPEC, okay. So I thought that the question will be like that only, okay. Either it may be the math question or something, I thought, okay. But what had happened is they just dig deep into that in that news, and they just make a statement from that opaque meet as West Texas Intermediate. Okay, such a way the UPSC will do. Okay, so what you have to focus is, you are coming across any news means try to find some elaborate idea about or the whole news. Okay, so that is the most important thing. Okay, so UPSC always do that. Okay, if you are focused on any map question means they will go for another type of question. Okay, so this is the thing the UPSC usually do. Okay, so be ready for such a questions. Okay, thank you.